So I found out where the array or the list weren't quite what I call flattened. And I'll show you what I mean by flattened. So I've made an enlarged watch box over here. Let me drag that on. And I'm going to pull in the original coordinate system that that the polygons are on. And you notice it's a list of all the ribs from 1 to 11. But if I go up here and grab the coordinate system that we built, and I drag that on, what you'll notice is that we have a list of lists. So we have what turns out to be, let me see if I can grab this better, a list of 10, or excuse me, 0 to, what is it going, 0 to 8 of list, which is 9 list. And each one of those contains 9 coordinate systems. So it's a list within a list. And so what we can do is what's called flattening it. So I'm going to go ahead and flatten it. And now you'll see that this coordinate system is just one list. It still has all of those points in it, but it's just listed one after the other without it being in the sublist. And that's really critical in the way that we feed that data into here. Because now if I feed that new coordinate system in, all right away you'll see that it sees I got to the end of this coordinate system and I'm not going through another loop. I'm not trying to go into that sub list of loops. So flattening is a really important, powerful kind of troubleshooting fix to this idea of matching up your data sets. So in the next thing, we'll look at now adding the ribbed or our actual Revit geometry to this polygon, just as we've done with the other ones, so that they're in our Revit drawing in that kind of flat for fabrication and dimensioning state.